Okay. Hi, Neela. How are you? Hi, Neela. How are you?
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Shall we start the class today?
Fine, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So today we are going to see Python programming. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Using Python, we are going to display hello hi on the output screen. Okay. So for that, we have to type the content in the Python editor. So now I will share my screen. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So see here, this is our uh, Python interpreter. So whatever we type here, we will get the output in the corresponding output console. Okay. So see here, today we are going to see about the first instruction, that is print statement. So how to write the print statement in Python? So just type print and open the round bracket. So within round bracket,
Okay.
within quotes, you have to put hello. Okay. So are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here, if you open one round bracket, you have to put the corresponding close bracket at the end. So if you have opened the double quotes, you have to close corresponding double quotes at the end, or else it will throw error. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So for running the program, what you have to do, we are having the option run at the menu. So you want to select that and you want to select the run module option. Okay. So if you click over there, you can able to see the output in the output console. See here, are you able to get that output in the output console?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So see here, Neela, this hello is known as entity. So we can have more than one entity in a print statement. So say for example, I can give another entity also. After comma, I can give another a name also. Say for example, Neela. See here, within double quotes, I have given your name, but hello and Neela are separated by comma. Okay.
Okay,
Are
ma'am.
you able to see the difference? Here, I am using the same double quotes only, but between these two string, I have inserted one comma in between the string. Okay.
Okay.
I didn't add any space and all. If I click run and select the run module, see here, now you will be able to see the output hello Neela. Between hello Neela, are you able to see a gap?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So see here, we are having one gap between this hello and Neela, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can also try your this code in your window. Hello Neela, so that I can also able to guide you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, try this code in your editor. So see here, this hello is one entity and Neela is another entity. Between these two entity, I have separated the entity with comma. So make sure if you have open bracket, you should put close bracket at the end.
Okay, ma'am.
So have you got the output? Hello space Nila. Once you tried this code in your window. So if you run the code once again, it will ask you whether it wants to save your program. Just click save. Okay. Then you will get able to get the output. So after HELLO double quotes, I have given comma and I have once again opened the double quotes and give your name as Neela. Okay. Are you getting error or output? Okay.
Yes.
So I will stop sharing my screen. Kindly share your screen. Are you able to know how to share your screen? Very good. So see here, after Nila, you forgot to put the double quotes. So after Nila, LA, you have to put one double quotes, right? Then only you have to close the bracket. That's why you are having the error. Nila, Nila. After that, you have to put double quotes. You have to close the double quotes. Are you able to understand that? Okay, you can erase that. Use your cursor, just erase that close bracket in the right side window. In the right side window, you have to erase that. You have to give that double quotes after Nila, Nila. You have to give the double quotes. Are you trying? So I will show my screen what error you have done. You can see that screen and you can able to correct it. Okay. Neela. Okay. Very good. Very good. You have put the double quotes. Very good. Now if you run the code, just click that run button. Okay. So shall we move to the next step?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next, what you have to do, we are going to add another parameter known as seb. Okay. So in this run, you are able to see hello and you have gap in between hello and Nila. And at the end, you are able to see your name Nila. Okay. So hello and Nila separated by some space in between. Okay. So here, if you add another parameter known as sep, S-E-P, for separator, they have shortly called as seb. If you give seb equal to, again within double quotes, if you give star and if you run the code, so you have to open the double quotes, you have to give one star and you have to close the double quotes. Okay. So after Neela double quotes, you have to open one comma, give one comma, and you have to introduce the sub variable name followed by equal to symbol, double quotes, star, and double quotes. Okay. If you add this argument, then see the output. See here, this Neela and hello is separated by star. Are you able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
So previously, okay, I will change the color. Previously, you had a gap between hello and Neela. Now see, are you able to see that star is introduced between these two entities, hello and Neela?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So this is the purpose of this sep command. So sep command is nothing but it is an additional command present in the print command. Okay, print command, we are having another argument as sep, and if you didn't specify anything, space will be added between hello and Neela. Okay. So if you want to override that with some other value, so star, or you can add with plus symbol or dollar symbol, you can use this sep command. So now shall you try in your system?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try and tell me the answer. So you have to give, after double quotes, you have to put one comma and type sep, SEP, and after that you have to put equal to symbol. You have to open the double quotes and put star. At the end, you have to close the double quotes and close the round bracket. Shall you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will stop sharing my screen, okay, so that I can able to guide you. Okay, share your screen, and we will verify the output. So have you typed sep argument? It is throwing
Yes,
error,
ma'am.
no issue. I will guide you. Just share your screen. You know how to share your screen, right? Down you are having
No.
share screen, and you have to select the entire screen. Very good. So see here, Neela, in line 3, after Neela, double quotes, you have to put one comma. You have missed that comma. That's why it's showing an error. So put the comma. In line 3, after Neela, double quotes, you have to put one comma. Before sep, you have to put one comma. Are you able to identify that? So have you get any output in the output screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What you have got as output? So just read out
I
the
got